This place has a name. In fact, it's had a name since 1796, and that name is Ca Ira. That means it'll be fine. In 1796, this was a real working town, population 310. It had a real working mill and a real working trading post. The mill produced 30,000 bushels of flour every season, and farmers from all over the area would bring their tobacco to the trading post to bundle it into hogsheads and ship it down the Willis River to Richmond to market. There were once 40 homes here, 2 taverns, a Masonic hall, a church, and 3 stores that were doing $40,000 a year in sales. And then the Civil War came. And then the railroads came. And Ca Ira quietly disappeared.
Except it didn't. Not entirely, at least. The land is still here, along with the history. The water is still moving exactly the way it was designed to.
I keep thinking about this building. This was the heart of a thriving community in the 18th century. And people made deals here. They argued about prices here. They got out of the cold here. They picked up and dropped off goods that they needed and goods that they wanted to sell. And it is a prime opportunity to restore it to some sort of glory or whatever you see it as. It's already got new windows and the siding outside has been replaced with new siding milled from trees that were felled on this property. Pretty cool.
And then there's this. The mill may be gone, but the waterfall is still running. That's not a ruin, that's a feature. And it's history. I just keep imagining mornings out here, cool evenings with a little breeze, sitting by the water, listening to the waterfall. You just can't beat it.
Here's what I know after 23 years in real estate in Central Virginia. You don't see properties like this come along very often, certainly not for $500,000. With 85 acres, the history, the waterfall, the Willis River, a structure that can be restored or reinvented to your imagination, you don't want to miss this one.
I'm not going to tell you what to do with it. That's the whole point. It really could be almost anything. But I'm curious, what would you do? How do you see this property coming back to life?
I'm Cindy Bennett with Maison Real Estate Boutique. Check out 14 Ca Ira Road on my website or the link in my bio. You really have to see it to understand how magical this spot is. The name means it'll be fine, and that just may be your sign.